Hello YouTube, I'm just letting you know. So we fished out the biggest beaver I've ever seen. That's easily over 70 pounds. I can't lift him. But look how big he is compared to that conning bear. His head alone almost touches, it's like 3 inches from that tip. But look how big that is. That's a blanket beaver times 2. They're really, really big here. I guess that explains it, but I couldn't figure out why there's 30 beavers in a mile stretch of river. But I guess this is prime territory, and the smaller 60-pounders don't really beat on the little ones because they have big ones like this that protect them. So I actually don't know why. I'm just bullcrapping you. But anyway, it's kind of fun to see. He's huge, and he pulled this conning bear steak right out. So we're glad we still have him. But all right, YouTube. It's too bad it wasn't winter time. It's kind of sad, but it's all right. I don't think his pelt would have fetched that much more than our bounty. So, all right, that's 20 little pound or $20 a head. So I should charge double for this one. He's twice the size. It's the 40 pounders. All right, talk to you later, YouTube. Over and out.